Greetings from Machines Visit. Today, we're diving into some of the most impressive production lines and industrial machines. Kicking things off is Zoom Spring Works, a top-tier specialist in creating custom hot and cold wound mechanical springs, stampings, wire forms, machining, metal spinning, and waterjet cutting. They excel at coiling springs with up to a 36-inch outer coil diameter and an astonishing 70-inch free length. Zoom's expertise in hot winding is unparalleled, delivering remarkable versatility and superior quality for springs of all sizes. They focus on efficiency, providing fast turnaround for urgent orders and flexible quantity options tailored to your exact needs. Next, we have China RCM, a prominent manufacturer known for crafting small and medium concentrated ground shield machines, friction stir welding equipment, friction welding tools, and offering specialized CNC machining design, production, and sales services. Their products are widely used in urban pipeline construction, aviation, aerospace, electronics, high-speed rail, and other sectors. At China RCM, rotary friction welding involves rapidly rotating two metal parts and pressing them together to fuse two axles into a single unit. Moving on to Aluplast GmbH, a leading German company celebrated for producing high-quality plastic windows and doors with cutting-edge technology. They specialize in achieving outstanding thermal insulation, advanced safety features, and innovative designs. Aluplast's products are carefully engineered to boost comfort, security, and energy efficiency in homes. With a strong global footprint, the company is a top provider of plastic profile systems in the industry, standing out for its commitment to excellence in window and door solutions. Their process involves heating plastic pellets until pliable, then extruding them through a die to create continuous tubes or profiles. The SMS Group, a global leader in engineering, focuses on building plants and machinery for various industries. They offer a wide range of equipment for manufacturing, casting, rolling, processing, forging, and extruding steel, aluminum, and copper. Additionally, SMS Group provides technology for producing high-quality metal powders for additive manufacturing and other powder metallurgy applications. Their strength lies in achieving incredibly precise tolerances thanks to cutting-edge equipment and a skilled team, making them a go-to partner for industries like automotive and aerospace that demand high precision. SMS Group also shines in handling extreme temperatures, with furnaces and heat treatment systems built to process even the toughest materials effortlessly, ideal for aerospace and power generation clients. Beyond this, they offer a broad range of forming techniques, from forging to drawing, providing end-to-end solutions from material selection to final assembly. Manufacturing Technology Incorporated (MTI) leads the global industry in advanced joining and friction welding solutions. They specialize in cutting-edge friction welders that deliver consistently high-quality welds for components used on Earth or in outer space. MTI's offerings include rotary friction welding, linear friction welding, low-force friction welding, and friction stir welding. Their impressive portfolio includes contributions to major projects like welding fuel tanks for the Space Shuttle and the International Space Station, playing a key role in advancing space exploration. TX Inter, a Russian company, focuses on producing braiding machines and related software. Their machines are designed for diverse applications, including cord, tape, tube, wire, and braiding with precious metals and composite materials, ensuring precision and efficiency. Their standout software, Tecum Braider Multifilament, creates 3D models of braided structures and calculates their properties. It excels at simulating tubular braids, optimizing machine settings, and even arranging color patterns. Next up is Bailey Industrial, a globally trusted supplier of premium metalworking machinery. According to Bailey Industrial Limited, their hydraulic tube bender is perfect for crafting handrails, race car chassis, roll cages, and more. This machine minimizes manual effort, offering faster and more precise results. It's more cost-effective than programmed tube benders and requires no human force. The process involves positioning the steel tube correctly and letting the machine handle the bending. Finally, we have Formech, a UK-based company specializing in vacuum forming machines for a wide range of applications. Their lineup includes compact desktop models, floor-standing units, and large-format machines with semi-automatic features. These machines serve industries like R&D, production, education, crafts, confectionery, film, and theater. Formech is known for offering affordable and versatile vacuum forming solutions, making them ideal for diverse projects and unique needs. And that's a wrap, folks. We've just highlighted some of the top production lines in the world today. Which one caught your eye? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of industrial machinery.